Hi there, my name is Mortal and today I'll be presenting you Bdat 1001 assignment number 3. So in this assignment is basically upon JWT or JSON Web Tokens. So this is and our professor is Nitosha, and the YouTube link for this assignment will be included in this one like after the record. Okay, so now basically we can get into the assignment. So we'll start with asking the question, what is JWT? So JWT, as I said earlier, is JSON Web Tokens, and what is it used for is authorizing and not authenticating. So what is the difference between an authorizing and non-authenticating? And authenticating. So authorizing is basically asking the question. Rather than starting with authorizing, I'll just start with authenticating. So authenticating is basically starting with a question asking what is your username and password. That is basically asking who are you. And here, whereas in authorizing, it is just asking what permissions do you have. So okay, basically the JSON Web Token is proposed with creating a data and with an optional signature for an encryption, whose payload, that is the data, holds JSON that assess number of claims. Okay, so basically we can get more about JWT as we go forward. But in this case, in JSON, the tokens are signed either using a private key or a public key, a private secret key or a public key. Okay. Now, how is this program built? So, as per the instruction of our professor, basically what in uh, a project named JWT Basic Authentication Token Bearer, we actually first basically in the program CS we made a new folder and added three class files, which is header.cs, payload.cs, signature.cs, and then the two app.config. So basically, this was the process. I can show you from the program. So here is our program.cs one. And as you can see here, the name is JWT Basic Authentication Token Bearer, and the models and header.cs, payload.cs, signature.cs, three classes, and the two app config. So these were included in my program by the basic steps from what the professor's professor's document had it. And as you can see, this is a program of CS, and I'll just show you what the header. So header is actually the place, or this is what we can call the architecture of either encryption or decryption. The encryption and decryption. So you can see here, so there, and the conversion. Okay, the conversion to the hexadecimal is there, and now the payload. So payload is basically the data which will be transferred, or the data that will be used for the access. So here, as you can see here, we have given the string type, birth date, each. So each data is handled in the payload, and then the signature. So here is actually the security key of the ID, not the ID, the security of the process is in the signature. That is actually getting the access, the final portion access. And this is our tool, and as you can see here, we have all the informations. Okay, so moving forward with the program. Now, as you can see, there's a private secret key which is listed in the beginning. I can show you that. I have to just here, I have to not use the other uh, output line. Just stop it there. We can just run. It takes a little bit of time. Yeah, you can see here. Okay. So here there is the key which we receive. Okay, so this is the our unit key, As you can see here in the airport config, you can see the security key, and in the security key value, we have copy pasted our security key. Oh, actually, we should copy paste it right now. Control C. There we go. And then we can close this. We go. And now we will use this for output. So we can get the final output. Yeah. So now we have got the token here, and as you can see, this is our new, that is the new key which is in the seed. Okay, so just close this one, and we'll go to, we'll just check the PowerPoint. We got the received key is here, okay, which we have copy pasted, and then we receive the token. Okay, and next is the process of now checking it or using it to the website. So we have to go to this website and paste our token, which the website is already taken. So just go directly into it. Okay, so here it is, which has been already done. Let's see. Okay, the token. See, now as you can see here, we have got the structure where we used to use the encryption and decryption, and then here's the data, that is the payload, and then here finally is the key, which is given here invalid. So now once we have pasted it, the signature is verified. Okay, so now we have received that. So now, so basically from that information we can finalize that. See, I'll just go back. So here, as you can see, as even with the unique token and our secret key, we can always uh, gain access or gain access, and this is where the server needs not to uh, save the details or the data, as we can, as it's just authorizing by the token and our secret key. So now to the conclusion of this assignment. So basically this assignment, what we're doing is, if we're having a say a same type of bank but a different or bigger extension, it will be having two accounts. So for both of these accounts, to access it, we don't need two different access lines or access credentials. We just need to have a unique token with us, so that the key can, the secret key which we have with us, can be used for decoding. So that's so our assignment was a practical implementation of this, and that's for you. Thank you.